In the weekly chart of gold USD, 4 bullish candlesticks in a row are present, which is signaling a decent start of 2023 for bulls. Based on the fundamental and higher time frame candlestick structure, it is better to consider the current trend as bullish as the demand for physical gold is solid. This technical analysis of gold USD showed a strong bullish pressure where the current price is stable above the 1900 key psychological level. At first sight, the ideal trading approach is to look for bullish opportunities as long as it trades above the 1900 level. Although the current trend is bullish, a minor bearish correction is possible as there is a strong gap between the weekly closing price and the dynamic 20-day exponential moving average. Moreover, the gap between the price and the high volume level from the current bullish swing has expanded. As per the current reading, the highest trading volume from November to January peak is present at the 1649.94 level. Based on the current price outlook, the bullish trend is very strong and any minor bearish correction could offer a long trading opportunity. On the other hand, strong volatility and accumulation above the 1900 level are needed before considering the bullish trend as invalid.